Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darrenoneill.eu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Ubuntu on Windows 10. So we're going to get started here, and the first thing we need to do is we need to download a hypervisor that will allow us to run Ubuntu. So I'm going to look for Virtualbox, and I'll leave all these links below where you can just get them and navigate directly. But VirtualBox is a free hypervisor that will allow you to run other operating systems within Windows. So I'm going to get the Windows host here. I'll click this and we can see it will begin to download. So I'll just pause the video here while VirtualBox is downloading. Okay, perfect. We can see VirtualBox is downloading here. So let me click open on this. Let me just pull across so you guys can see. I'm going to click next. I'm just going to click next again. I'm going to leave all these as the default and click next. And I'm going to click yes and then install. And let me just click yes here so you can see. And what I'll do is I'll pause the video while this is running. Okay, this looks great. We can see it's done. So let me click finish here and VirtualBox should start up for us here. Great, and it has. Okay, so now I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to look for Ubuntu. Okay, so then we're going to click on Ubuntu. We're going to look for the download button and we're going to take the desktop version. I'm going to click on this version to download. Um, for the moment, I'm just going to click, oh, it's already begun here, so that's perfect. If it doesn't, you can click download now. So as you can see, this is going to take a while here. So let me pause the video here while this is downloading. Okay, great. We can see my Ubuntu is finally downloaded here. So I'm now going to open up VirtualBox. Okay, so I'm going to click on new here, and I'm going to call it Darren Ubuntu. And we'll say it's Linux, it's 64-bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on expert mode here just to get a little bit more detail as we step through our setup. Okay, so we'll call it Ubuntu underscore Darren. And let's give 2 gigs of RAM, give it a little bit more space. So we're going to create a hard disk now, and we're going to let's give it 20 gigs, and we'll say it's dynamically sized so it can scale up and down. We'll click create here. This may take a minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so we now have our Ubuntu virtual machine created. Okay, so we just need to find where our Ubuntu ISO file came down. So let's click settings here. We'll go to storage. We'll click where it says empty here and we'll click this little disk here. And we're going to say choose create a virtual optical disk. So I've one here that I've added previously. Let's just see how to do it. So I'm clicking add. We can see where I have my downloads. I'll click open. We'll see it's here. So we'll select that. We'll click choose. And then we'll click OK. So what we've done is the equivalent of opening up a disk drive and popping the Ubuntu CD or DVD in. Okay, so now let's click start here. And hopefully the Ubuntu machine will begin to power on. Okay, so we can see it looks like it's beginning to start up here, which is looking good. Okay, let's just give it a second here. Okay, we can see it's checking the disks here, so we'll just give it a minute or two to finish this. Okay, so it looks like our checks are done, so we'll just wait here to see when Ubuntu begins to boot. Okay, great, so my machine's booted here successfully, so I'm going to click install Ubuntu. I want to leave this to default, I want to click continue. I'm going to do normal installation and then click continue. Going to click erase disk and install Ubuntu. I'll click install now. Yeah, I'll click continue on this. It's asking me for my location, so I'm in Dublin. That works. I'll click continue. And then it's just asking me to set some details. So I'll put my name in for Darren. And I'll just put in a password here. And I'm just going to click that I want to be logged in automatically. And I'm going to click continue. Okay, and it looks like the install process is kicked off here. So this most likely will take a while. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video while this is installing Ubuntu, and we'll meet back here shortly. Okay, great. My installation's done here and it's saying I just need to restart now. So let me just click this restart now button and this will begin to restart the VM to bring us to our installed Ubuntu. Okay, so we can see we're being asked to remove our installed media. Let's do that now. So we'll click on settings on the machine and we'll go back to our storage. And perfect, we can actually see it's actually already been removed. So this is perfect for us. So we'll click OK here and we'll go back and then we'll just press enter on this screen and it should hopefully now begin to boot up for us. So let me just pause here while this is booting up. Okay, this is looking really good. So we can see it's asking us if we want to hook up any of our online accounts and we'll press skip on this. I'm going to click next here for live patch and I'm just going to click next here again. I'm just going to click next and obviously you can have a look through these, anything you want to add in. I'm just going to click done. And here we are. We've now installed Ubuntu on Windows 10 using VirtualBox. So it's a really, really handy way for you to install Ubuntu on your Windows machine. It's great. You can try it out before you were going to install it on an actual laptop, or if you want to use some of the great Linux features but not have a full Linux desktop. Please do comment and like, and if you have any issues, do comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. And thank you for watching.